Today we're gonna see the Festival of the Holidays at Epcot. Look what they've done to your precious Starbucks.
Why? Out of everything in this bar, why that one?
And they got rid of the fountain behind here. Goodbye.
What are they planning on doing?
Well, they're gonna tear all this down. And I think they're also gonna tear this down. And, oh, hey. Eventually they're gonna move all, I think this is just gonna become one long, like, shopping plaza. And then, I'm not sure, this might be open. It's gonna be very interesting to see the changes. We're already by Mouse Gear. There's a lot of people. So let's go get our magnet. So that's Mouse Gear. And then over here is the line on the left. Yeah, to get our magnet.
Should we get it at night?
No, it's fine. It goes by pretty quickly. Wow. This is a lot of people. Here is the end of the line. We did it! Show me yours. I love it. They're so cute. There's the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. I guess they put up some curtains. Not curtains. What's the word I'm looking for?
For what?
For that. The green, is it a tarp? It's not curtains for sure.
It's a tarp.
Okay, I guess a tarp is a good word to describe it. I just want it to be done already. Come inside for an immersive behind-the-scenes look into the inspiration and ideas shaping the future of Epcot. Oh my God, I'm excited.
Have always represented big ideas, from nature to discovery, world culture to the celebration of humanity. There's a magical new interactive trail to explore where water is alive and waiting to play.
Water is ancient. It has journeyed around our world since the beginning of time. Born as rain, falling from the clouds, this water travels to our ocean, where sun and waves send it back to the sky to begin the cycle once again. Everywhere it goes, water is alive with personality.
No, that one. These are all the ones around. We are British Revolution. We'll bring you some of the greatest British rock. Right now, the moon is bright. Spirits up. We're here tonight. And that's enough. Everybody out there, let's go.
Hi. No, this is no longer Epcot. I'm sorry. We're back at my house. I just wanted to say that I'm sorry I didn't record an outtake or, say goodbye or explain why the video kind of ends abruptly, but it was because we had just driven up that morning and we were pretty tired. So we decided to call it a night. Jay wasn't feeling too good. So instead of, continuing the rest of the World Showcase, we just went straight to our car and went home. But I hope you enjoyed what footage I did get. And, I just wanted to wish you a happy holidays and a happy new year from my house to yours. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wonderful Christmas time.